This is my bike check / review on this Kona Process 153. These are the stock bars that came with my bike, and those are paired up with some nice Ergon GD1 grips. These are the Code RSC brakes. They feel really powerful and have never faded. This is the 1UP Components drop post lever. It feels really solid and has a bearing in it. This is the 2019 RockShox Yari with the RC damper and the Debonair air spring. On the rear I have a Vivid Air R2C. The wheels are custom built by myself with some Hope Pro 4 hubs. TT Swiss competition spokes. The Stan Snow Tubes Flow MK3. I also got Cushcore front and rear. A 200mm rotor on the front and a 180 on the rear. I got the stock Kona saddle and a Transx 150mm dropper post. These are Crank Brothers Stamp 3 pedals. And yes, those pins are huge. This bike has got a GX shifter and NX cranks. Got the Sunrays 11 to 50 cassette and a NX derailleur. I would like to talk about the geometry. This bike has got a really nice geometry, nice and short chain stays and a steep seat tube angle and a very slack head tube angle. Thanks for sharing with me today, and see you next time.